Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving part 2. The previous video looked at problem solving with respect to addition. This video will use subtraction to solve the given problems. Number 1. There were 78 birds in a tree. If 26 of those birds flew away, how many birds are left? So we have 78 minus 26, 8 take away 6 is 2, 7 take away 2 is 5, so we have 52 birds left. A cricketer scored 89 runs in the first innings of a game. If he scored 52 runs in the second innings, what is the difference between the two scores? Now the word difference is a very important word here, and it nearly always means subtraction. So 89 take away 52, 9 take away 2 is 7, 8 take away 5 is 3, so the difference is 37 runs. Rachel has $52 in the bank. She needs a total of $95 to buy a present for her mum. How much more money does she need to save? So if she has $52 in the bank, but she needs 95 for the present, 95 take away 52. 5 take away 2 is 3. 9 take away 5 is 4, so she needs another $43. Two numbers add up to a total of 82. If one of the numbers is 35, what is the other number? So 82 minus 35. 2 take away 5 we cannot do, so we trade. We take 110, which is there, from the tens column. That means we only have 7 tens left, because we started with 8, but we took 1, we traded. Now we have 12 ones here. So 12 take away 5 is 7, and 7 take away 3 is 4. So the other number is 47. What is the difference between 61 and 26? There's that word difference again, which means subtraction. So 61 minus 26, 1 take away 6 we can't do, so we trade. We take one of these tens here. There it is there, that's a 10. We take it from this column. Now there are 5 tens left. So 11 take away 6 is 5. 5 take away 2 is 3. So the difference is 35. A climber wants to reach the top of a cliff whose height is 32 metres. If he has climbed 17 metres up the cliff, what is the remaining distance? So he has to climb 32, but he's already done 17, so 32 take away 17. 2 take away 7 we can't do, so we trade. This 110 here comes from the tens column, so we have 2 tens left. 12 take away 7 gives us 5, and 2 take away 1 gives us 1. So the remaining distance is 15 metres. Mr. Brown is 72 years old and his son Ted is 48 years old. What is the difference in their ages? The word difference means take away. 72 take away 48. 2 take away 8 we cannot do. So this 10 here, this 1, it really means 10 ones. So now we only have 6 tens in the tens column, because we've taken one of these tens from that column. So that's a 10 and that's another 2, so that's 12 altogether. So 12 take away 8 is 4, 6 take away 4 is 2, so the difference is 24 years. So this video has shown you how to solve problems using subtraction.